And now continuing on the special effects in frame by frame animation, a quick note for explosions. And because we already talked about fire and we talked about droppings, now it starts to be easier to accomplish each new special effects that we want to create. So for example, explosions. We start here with this splash. Now I'm not making draw by draw because I think there's no need now to do that. So we start with this explosion and then it becomes bigger, a bit as we did with the fire. So notice the similarities of these two. So I start in the first frame having this part here going bigger, okay? Here we have these three main parts of our explosion, and then look at them here, they are still here. We have this here and here, so the regular shape is still the same. See? So we start something like this, and then we go, oops, and then we go like this. So we are making it bigger, and then it explodes, and now we start creating some smoke. And smoke and fire are very similar. And again, we have like these big parts, okay? So now we have our smoke like this. So it exploded, see? And now the behavior of the smoke, you can think about, the way that the smoke spreads is related to the air that is involving them and where is happening. The differences of the air in the middle of the smoke makes the smoke change its shape. So if you think about little swirls everywhere, that's how you will change the shape of your smoke while they are going up, okay? Oh, and so you think about the swirls that are going to create the shapes of our smoke, you think about the direction where it is going, and you start breaking it apart, okay? So in the following frames, what you are going to do is think about that original shape in the same way, but start to breaking all the elements with these swirls. So you are going to have like elements here, and these are going to be broken, okay? And as we broke it, we start to having something like this, and again going up and to the sides, and the principle is the same. So we still see these swirls here, okay? And we are breaking apart our shape as it goes outside, right? And then this part where the explosion took place here, it will break, okay? Here it will break, and then the more empty place is actually when the explosion took place, right? And the same happening here, and then just make it disappear, right? So now that we know all the other stuff before, that is actually much easier to obtain. So this is another proposal for exercise. Good luck. And now I want you to make another exercise. What I have here is we have a path that is being traced for something that is leading the way, and then we have these elements here that is actually falling, right? So this is another example that I want you to try. Okay, this is another exercise. And then for the last example, we have here a flag. And this flag here, it is a simple approach that we have here, but this exercise, I want you to work on them because this is going to touch the wave animation, right? Because we want here this wave to happen. So we have here this wave, starts here and there, and then this wave here is going to go like there, right? Just take a look at the line, and then it's actually doing this, see? So this line here overpasses the point, right? Now it goes there, right? And then this energy that was accumulated here is going to be felt here because it will do this, right? It's like a whip, right? And then we go again to this shape that is actually similar to this one, right? So if it helps, use a line to create this animation first, and then the flag itself would be easier. This video is actually to propose you 3 exercises. So yeah, good work. I need a better way to end these videos instead of good work, but yeah, that's what I really want you to do, so that's why I wish it.